Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime Video membership. So guys, stick around till the end of the video to fully understand the steps and manage your subscription. So first thing that you will do is open up your Prime Video application into your device and just simply sign in into your account if you haven't. And now tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and from here at the top right corner of the screen again, you will see the gear icon. So just simply tap on that. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to my account and go to manage account. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here your membership. So from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the membership. And from there, guys, you should be able to see a button and membership. So just simply tap on that. And then from there, just provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.